What's up guys, we're doing a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K versus an Arri Alexa Mini camera test today. We're gonna test out the dynamic range, some slow-mo, all sorts of good stuff, and we're social distancing 6 feet apart. Jay, 6 feet. Film. So we're doing this video in collaboration with Matteo Bertoli. He is a YouTuber that we found kind of on Instagram the other day. We just kind of messaged each other and we're like, hey, let's meet up. We both live in Tampa. And he is the creator of Buttery LUTs, which are some really cool LUTs for your cameras that can give you some great images. But yeah, what do you think? We're gonna take these two cameras, put them side by side.
I mean, is it $60,000 more?
Yeah, it's about like almost a $60,000 camera compared to a $2,000 camera.
Yes, it's very unfair.
Very unfair test, but that's kind of what makes it fun, is see how they're actually gonna stack up. Let's go shoot some footage.
Gonna be fun.
Jay, what are you doing?
Oh, Scrabble.
Jay. Okay, so we're heading over to the next location for the shoot. Jay is carrying both tripods, and that's how we like it. We like him to not feel like it's too easy of a day. Then he wants more food, more hamburgers. Can't afford that. They always keep an eye on you and hide by building walls. But the more power they get, the harder they will fall. It's time to make a change. Time to make a new beginning. Time to raise your voice, yeah. What are we waiting for? Chosen few, making up their own rules, pretending they know what to do. Fake news, bad promises might be the truth for some. So take a look in the mirror. What do we become? It's time to make a change. Time to make
Feel again. There's something about you in the way that
All right, we just got back from lunch. We had some delicious tacos, and we're now doing a high contrast type setup. So we have a lot of bright light coming from behind Tatiana, and then the front is a bit shadowed. So we're gonna see how the Arri and the Blackmagic compare in these harsh lighting conditions. Roll it. Okay, we're set up back in the studio now. We've got the cameras ready to do a low light, a bokeh, and a saturation test. So stay tuned. Next, we wanted to do a color test to see how the sensors react to different saturated colors. So we have heavy red on one side and heavy blue on the other side. So let's see how the Alexa and the Blackmagic handle those colors. Whew. Well, what really surprised me was how well the Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K held up next to the Arri. And it made me really sad because I own the Arri. And I do want to invite you to watch our Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K video versus the Alexa Mini, which we shot a few months back. And if you like this, you might enjoy that as well. So check out our channel every Tuesday and Friday for new videos on filmmaking. I'm Christian with Film Jams, and we'll see you next week. Jay. Forgot what I was gonna say. It just looks like nonsense to me.
Hold on.